name's Joseph Radisek. I'm with the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and Zach McGinnis up there in I don't even know if you call it a cockpit or not. He reached out to ASME a few weeks ago, and he said we're rededicating this landmark that ASME decided was historically significant back in the 80s, and it is ready to run today, and we're excited to see it happen, and we are rededicating it for just the amazing technology, the incredible time and craftsmanship it took to take steam technology to where it could go at the time. And the design, the effort, just the passion that it took to make this what it was, what we're going to be able to see today is incredible. So I'm coming out here as a fan more than anything. My background's not necessarily in trains, but with mechanical engineering, it's really anything that moves, and this thing is going to move in a way I'm not prepared for. So I'm excited to see it with you guys. Well, it's one thing to be told something. It's one thing to kind of read it or have someone explain it to you in a way that you try to get a lesson imparted on it. But much like touching a stove, this is actual real life. This is real history in action. So you can hear about steam power, but actually seeing what steam does, superheating a fluid so that it pushes and moves forward in a way that the wheels, several tons of steel is just moving on a flat track with almost no friction. It allows it to just move forward, that you can read it in a book, and sure, you can calculate how fast it's going to go, but now you're going to actually see true power from itself. And it's just, you don't get a feel for it inside a car or inside a book. It's just being here in person it's unmatched. And even for someone to watch it, you're seeing the reaction of the world to it. It is making a force to move all of the people, all of the equipment over from one side to the other. It's amazing. You tend to forget things if you don't use them again and again, and it's not necessarily that a rededication is required just because it's been a few years. The fact that they're taking the time this year, 2025, to come out and launch it, relaunch it, run it through its paces. We wanted to take time to acknowledge that it has been 40 something years since we first dedicated it, and it's a testament to how the volunteers, the people that have poured their time into it, that 40 years later this thing is still able to run, and run as well as it is phenomenal. We want to dedicate to the volunteers as much as to what made it originally the incredible feat of steam power. I mean, please, anything that interests you, get involved. Try to figure out why it works. Try to see if there's a read across or something that can be applied somewhere else. Steam power, at the time, they thought was an old art, and they went straight to diesel. They went to newer technologies, and this is the craftsmanship of people with years of dedication that know the work, what it takes, and made beautiful art with science. And if you can do that with what you know, if you can do that with friends and other people, peers in the field, and make art out of science, it's something worth beholding. It's amazing. So please, whether it's a landmark, which is very easy to see, it's a plaque, it draws you to its attention. But anything that draws your attention, try to figure out more, try to learn more.